Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on color correction in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn on color correction in our phone, we have to go to settings first. Then we are looking for accessibility options here. And in accessibility, we have visibility and enhancements menu. And right here, color correction. By default, it's of course turned off. But if we want to turn it on, we have to go to this menu, turn it on, and here we have a few different color filters. Of course, we can use whatever we need and just back out to the main menu. And as you can see, now our color correction in our example grayscale is turned on. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.